Right, what you must not do here is just show perhaps that 44 divided by 111 is equal to 0.396396 by using your calculator buttons. That's not what they're asking for. You have got to go definitely from the left-hand side here and prove that it's the same as 44 111ths. First thing that I like to do is call the recurring decimal x. So in other words, x is the same as 0.396 recurring. And in order to be able to do this question, we have to understand what 0.396 recurring means. Because the dot is over the 3 and the 6, it means that the repeating sequence is 396, 396. So the x is actually 0.396, 396, 396, and so on. It's crucial to the understanding of how to do this question. What I now need to do is multiply by something so that I get a multiple of x which has the same repeating sequence after the decimal point. And I can see that if I multiply x by 1,000 to give me 1,000x, that means moving the decimal point 3 places to the right. What I'm going to get is 396.396. The repeating sequence after the decimal point must be identical. If you like, I can think of that as 1 and 2. If I now do 2 take away 1, in other words, if I do 1,000x take away x, well, that's 999x. And if I do the right-hand side, so 396.396, and I take away 0.396, what I'm going to be left with, the parts after the decimal point will disappear, and I'm going to be left with 396, which means that x then has to be 396/999. Now they need to see that how we can simplify that. I can see that if I divide the top and the bottom by 9, because I've got 999 and I'm going to make it into 111, I must have divided by 9. And if I do 9s into 396, you could probably get away with doing this on your calculator. 9 goes into 39 4 times. 4 9s are 36, so that's remainder 3. That's going to give me 44. So I can see then that x is 44 111ths.